Want to share your screen on multiple TVs? This wireless HDMI lets you stream to multiple displays at once. Works up to long range with smooth, low lag video. Supports clear 4K decoding and full HD output. Just plug and play, no applications or setup needed. Works with laptops, TVs, projectors, and more. Simple, wireless, and ready anywhere. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what we have inside the box. Let's see, one transmitter and 4 receivers. Wow, check this out. One transmitter and 4 receivers. Let's see. User manual. Quick start guide. 5 USB A to USB-C cables. And 5 antennas. And the adapter HDMI to HDMI. We can go ahead and put the antennas. That's very easy to put. You see, it's not taking up too much time. And here is the last one. Now we have 4 receivers, 1 transmitter. And if you're using on the laptop, you don't need USB A to USB-C to get the electricity for the transmitter. But the receivers, let's put them one by one and test it out. Since I have only 3 monitors, I'm just gonna use 3 of them, not the 4th one. I plugged one on the monitor, and you're gonna see the introduction page. It's not that too complicated, and what you're gonna see is SSID and the password. You're not gonna use that. It's automatically connected by itself. This is the first monitor. Here is the second monitor. This is my TV. I already plugged it in over there. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this on the small monitor. If I try to put it right there, I'm not able to put it upright. That's why I'm gonna go ahead and use this adapter. Now I'm done with the connections. HDMI to HDMI and USB-A. Let's see, here's the TV screen and here is the monitor screen. Now we're gonna go ahead and connect the transmitter. Now I can go ahead and plug the transmitter right there. Wait a little bit, it's coming. And HDMI connect. Let's see what's gonna happen. Now it transmits the video and the sound. Wow, perfect. Here you go. Here's the first, second, and we're gonna go ahead and check the monitor right there. We got the video for all 3. Let me go ahead and play it. Let's play it. Right there. The sound is also transmitted. How about extending the screen? Let's see how fast it's gonna be. Extend. This is my main screen, and those are the extended ones. Now I'm gonna put the second screen right there. Let me go ahead and duplicate the screen and do the distance test. Now I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate the screen and do the distance test. Duplicate. Now we have this. Here is my room, and here is the third screen. Okay guys, it is transmitting very well. There's no lagging or anything. Check the video and sound transmitting at the same time. There is no lagging between my laptop and the monitor and TVs. Overall, perfect. 5 out of 5. It's because we have 4 receivers and 1 transmitter. It is transmitting the sound and the video very well between 4 screens. You don't need sophisticated and complicated setup. And at the same time, you don't need any applications or programs. No wiring required, no nothing. It's just Wi-Fi. And it has a long range, and you can use it anywhere you want. Definitely suggest it.